Let's talk about the Uber Pro debit card information. This is including, the Spark bank accounts for branch. This is going to include a few different places. So, if you have received an email, which you may have, it's called Evolve Bank and Trust. You may have never heard of them, but they deal a lot of different small startups and small banks and um, a lot of things when it comes to the different places, gig economy. So, yes, this is something that you may very well be affected. You don't know. But yeah, this is something that is huge. This is one of the biggest cybersecurity incidents that happened. And of course, we all know there's always big cybersecurity. AT&T recently had one. This, that, and the other had one. So it's just another one that you need to pay attention to. So just be careful out
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, I tweeted this as soon as I figured it out. I have spoken to the lawyer in Boston, actually, but they have it in 3 states. So there is on the 26th, they're going in front of the class action judge to see who should be involved in this. The reason I'm bringing it up is because once the class is settled, not settled, but once the class is, they have figured out who can be part of this class action, then I will keep you guys posted. I did a video about it, but then oddly enough, I don't have the Uber Pro debit card through Evolve. But literally within a day of this news coming out, maybe 3 days ago, I got this notification in my app. It says, protect your account against fraud. Well, yeah. So I'm betting or guessing maybe 25% of 3-4 million drivers have the Uber Pro debit card. That's 1 million people. So please check your account. Please make sure all the debits are yours. Please do not fall for the scams. This is the millionth time we're saying this on Show Me the Money. Do not pick up the phone. Do not give your information to anybody. Uber will never call you unless you get in a crash. They'll detect it, and then their safety team will call you. Do not pick up the phone.
Or any safety incident.
Just don't, because you're gonna get your clock cleaned. Don't. And a lot of people are emailing me saying that they're getting spam phone calls a lot more now. They're getting spam emails. If you do get a spam email with a link that may look like from your bank or American Express or whatever, do not click on that link because then they're going to just absolutely steal all your passwords. So be careful. If you have the Uber Pro debit card through Evolve Bank, which all of them are issued through Evolve Bank, be careful. And as far as what you can get out of it, I will keep you guys posted on the 26th. Once the meeting is done, I'll put another video and let you guys know who the law firm is so you can contact them and be part of the class. If you have any losses, even if you don't, I think you should be part of the class. And the decision, by the way, is about, as we know with the TOS, there is arbitration clauses in there. But this case is so big that I think, the legal team's opinion was that this is not going to go into individual arbitration. That's why also we tell you people, when you get the TOS, you have 30 days to opt out. Please opt out so you can be part of class action lawsuits like this. So that's it. Be careful, please.
One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. Yeah, I mean, David's got it. You can freeze your credit. So if you want to unfreeze it, then you can get loans, credit cards, all that. The other thing too is make sure you do your due diligence, checking your information online where it's been leaked, where it may be posted, and then try to make sure that those things have been, kind of handled. You can go to like, have I been pawned, and check your information there, see if there's any passwords that have been compromised or anything that has been compromised. You can try to, change it and make sure that it's not relevant anymore. That's good first step. There's definitely more steps to take. So yeah, that's definitely some things that you want to make sure that you're doing in order to not fall victim to some of these things. Even if
Yeah,
you don't even know, you could be a identity theft victim and not even know it. So getting
yeah,
regular credit monitoring, whether it's whatever one
yeah,
is out there, make sure
exactly.
you're doing that. They're all going to offer. I think this is offering a year or 2 years
Yeah, this
worth
is
of.
exactly a good thing you bring that up. Good, really good thing you brought that up. The lawyer, the attorney I spoke to said you should have gotten a letter from Evolve already if your information was compromised, and they should have offered you 1 year of credit protection with the three credit bureaus. Please do so. It's free, and I would definitely take advantage of that. Again, though, don't fall for scams. You will get calls, you will get emails.
Oh yeah, for sure. So be careful out there. Definitely when it comes to these things, don't be, um, putting in the back burner or anything like that. Let me see. I'm just looking up my email because I mine was for um, the branch account through Walmart Spark. Yeah, so you can um, place a fraud alert or security freeze on your credit reports. Got to contact the three credit bureaus if you want to do that. If you live in certain states, you can do other things as well too. That it breaks it down. But there's a lot of different things that you can do. So to activate your membership, to start monitoring your personal info, you can do that. Make sure it's done by October 31st of this year. You'll get a code. You can go to mytrueidentity.com, and this is through TransUnion. Um, and then they will give you an activation code that you will have in your email. So yeah, if you got an email, which you should have already, then that way you can help with those steps.
Yep.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.